Assalamu. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to highlight text in Word with custom color. For do my work, at first I open Microsoft Word file and take a paragraph. If you want highlight one line or whole paragraph, then you select that line. Then go to home menu and select text highlight color drop down menu. Then select a color for highlights text. If you want whole paragraph highlights, then you select whole paragraph. To select the whole paragraph, you press Ctrl A. Then again you go to highlights color and select a color. If you want remove the highlight text in Word, then you select the whole paragraph and again go to highlight text color and select drop down menu and select the no color. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.